Vaishnavi and welcome back to my channel. So this video is a get ready with me Desi version. So this video is about how I got this whole look. So if you like this video, you know the drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's begin. So after moisturizing my face, I'm gonna apply a lip balm so that my lips are moisturized as well. Now I'm gonna use the Lakme Invisible Foundation to have an even tone. So I'm gonna use a beauty blender and blend all of this out so that it looks natural. So now I'm gonna apply a concealer which will cover all of my scars and dark circles, and let's face it, which are many. Again, blend, blend, blend. Now I'm gonna use a compact to set all of my makeup and to look set, to dance my heart out. Now I'm gonna use the Miniso eyebrow palette, which by the way guys is very affordable. I'm gonna fill my eyebrows, and trust me, you can see a lot of difference on my face just using this 190 rupees ka chotu dabba. Now I'm gonna make my eyes look more sparkly by using this gorgeous palette by Makeup Revolution. Now I'm gonna randomly pick out any shade. Now I'm gonna use a neutral color to create a base on my eyes. I'm gonna use a very beautiful golden color. Now I'm gonna take this stick highlighter and highlight under my eyebrows and in the inner corner and curl my lashes. And I'm gonna use a mascara to add some more drama to my eyes. And now I'm gonna apply a liner. Apply some highlighter on the high points of my face. You can do that extra highlighter just to stand out from others. Now using two of my favorite pink lipsticks, I'm gonna get that perfect shade for the Lady Sangeet. And to complete a look, I'm gonna add a bindi, some beautiful earrings, and I guess I'm all set to rock this Lady Sangeet.